I absolutely love opening things up. This, however, is $5 and it sucks. I can barely get a grip on any screws with this. So, iFixit. Oh. So I bought this from German Amazon, despite the fact it says from Slovakia. Very weird. But that could probably be the seller if you think about it. Now, unboxing time. I'm so good at opening packages, I don't know how to do it. Oh wait, can you just tear this off? Oh, yes you can! Well, no knife needed. For now. Ooh, this is a nice box though. Look at that. Oh, things are moving around in there. That's not concerning at all. Wait, which way? Oh, yep. We do need a knife. Hold on. I didn't think I even cut it. Did that do it? Oh my god, there's another one on this side. This was the basic kit, because all the things in here, that's all I need. And still, okay, there we go. So, it includes a whole bunch of things. Like, look at all that. This is basically all the screws or screwdrivers I'll need for quite some time, actually. I can even open up my MacBook, which I probably shouldn't, because, you know, Apple. This is really nice. It's my first time ever buying an iFixit product after saving up money for it. And, yeah, I'm pretty happy I did. Go follow them. Wait, go follow them. They're pretty epic. Focus. There we go. Yeah! Thank you, iFixit. Okay. The box doesn't matter if it feels a bit cheap. Oh, okay. Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was way worse. Actually, you get more than I thought you would. You actually get a billion of these. 3 so far, and there's still another one in here. There's a lot of stuff. Can you believe this costs 30 plus 12 euros shipping? This is very cheap for everything you get. Look at that. Oh, that's sharp. Oh, that's sharp. What? So that's... Oh my god. No, wait. There's even more guitar picks. I think there's 5 guitar picks. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. No, there's more. I think there's more than 5 guitar picks. Okay, so there's a lot of guitar picks. Like, seriously, there's 6 guitar picks. That's a lot of guitar picks. That's very useful, I have to say. Let's put them... Actually, you know what? Let's leave it here. And the screwdriver. Handy dandy little screwdriver. Oh, this is very well organized. iFixit, you did a great job. I love this. Look at all this. This is a starting guide kit. This is like the starter guide. Perfect. Look at that. I'll squish you, tiny man. Just close this. There we go. Put it back in. Wait. Hold on. Technical difficulties. I don't know how to brain. Oh, yep. Wait. Wait. Give me a moment, please. I have special... Okay, there we go. Ooh. Shit. I'm so good at taking things out. I'm such a genius, guys. Please bear with me. There we go. Ooh, I think this is what we call a spudger, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. Very cute. Very nice. Well, let's put it back in and hopefully not have it stuck. This is for smartphones. I think that's pretty obvious. I don't know how to use it though. How do you use this? Where's the... I don't want to use it on my phone, but I don't have any other phone available, so I'm just gonna try it on my desk. I don't know how to use it, so I'll review this later when I have an idea. Well, I'll probably forget to review it, but that's fine. Shit. Can't even put it back in. No. Oh, never mind. It's back in. Good boy. The bed. There we go. Okay. This. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Repair is noble. Aw, iFixit. You trying to be all fancy on me? How dare you know me? Yeah, this is nice. This is like a fake pencil. And no, this is probably not its use. There's definitely a use for this. I just have no idea what it's for. So feel free to tell me what it is in the comments. Okay, this is definitely for opening shit up. Is that sharp? Okay. Okay, that's pretty sharp. What the heck? Okay, it can damage wood, but it can't damage me. I hope. I love all the screwdriver bits. Look at that. Oh, hold on. Let's focus on that. Oh, screwdriver bits. Oh. I can finally open up my laptop like I used to. Finally. Thank you, iFixit. Oh my god, there's so many screwdriver bits. It's amazing. I'm guessing 00 is bigger than 000. How does this work? It uses magnets. That's genius. Look at that. Probably shouldn't be abusing this thing right away, but look at that. It's holding in very well. I'm impressed. Great work. Great work, soldier. Ah. Okay, so the MacBook uses T5 screws. And I have a T5 screwdriver. I love the fact they made this way better by just making it screwdriver bits instead of making specific screwdrivers for everything, like this did. This costs more, maybe. This might cost more than doing it this way. And also, these don't grip as well as this probably can. I mean, look at this. I'm confident this will do a better job than these could ever do. But I mean, it was good as a starting kit for people that have never done shit. But iFixit does a way better job. Despite the fact it's a little more expensive, I think they do a better job. Especially since, look at all this. They give you guides. And they let you... and they also let you look at solutions other people have found. And you can even make your own solutions for stuff. You know why that's great? It's free. These two thingies are free. Tools, yeah, they're actually, they're not that expensive. They're actually really handy. And, you know, parts for phones. It's pretty easy to find. Oh, well, here, oh. You know what? I just found a guide. Push down to take out tools. Damn, I look like an idiot earlier. Okay, iFixit, give me your guide. Is this not open? No. iFixit has helped millions of people fix their electronics. Check out thousands of free step-by-step repair guides on our site. Thank you, iFixit. Very cool. And that's not sarcasm. That's actually really cool. Oh my god, this is... You know, I should have probably read this earlier, and this video would have been shorter that way. Look at that. Same goes for the guitar picks, because you like put them in like this, push them out like that. Okay, yeah, that is way easier. Let's put all these guitar picks back in. This is really nice, actually. You know what? On the photos, it looked good, but this is way more high quality in person. Oh, look at that. You can put your screws here, so you don't screw yourself when you lose them. Look at this. It closes with magnets. Okay, these are not bad magnets at all. There's 4 of them and they hold very well. Oh my god, is this money on my desk? Did I get a good grade? Looks like I did. Okay, but look at all, I need to read all the screws this came with, which is all the stuff this came with. It's incredible. Magnetized driver handle. Actually, I'll show you the things while I read them. Magnetized driver handle. Integrated SIM eject tool. I don't know which one that is, actually. I'm unsure which one is the integrated SIM tool. I think it's this, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Angled precision tweezers. That is definitely this. How do I push this out? Uh-oh. I definitely put it in the wrong way. I think. I put it in the wrong way. Oh, I just pushed it in deeper. iFixit. iFixit. Help. Oh my god. No. No. I've already ruined it. No. No. I actually need tweezers. Oh god, I'm damaging the plastic. Oh god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh no. Something just fell. I just dropped something. I'm not Linus Tech Tips, guys. Oh my god. No, I dropped the maybe sim eject tool. Whoops. Okay, so I put the tweezers in wrong. At least I think I did. Okay, yeah, be careful with the tweezers. They almost hurt my finger. They're very sharp. Look at that. Oh, shit. That is incredibly sharp. Look at that. Yeah, be careful with the tweezers. Don't, like, try and stab someone with them. Let's close them back up. Okay, so these are the angled precision tweezers. ESD safe. That's good. iFixit. Thank you. Is it this way? Maybe it's this way. Maybe it's this way. You think? I think so. Yeah, I don't know how to put this back in. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was correct before. Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, I put it in wrong. This is how you put it. I think it should be looking upwards. Still unsure about that. Here's the... this is not the spudger. What is a spudger? You can tell I'm a genius. This, I think, is a spudger. 6 opening picks, aka guitar picks. These bad boys are the opening picks. Suction handle that I don't know how to use, unfortunately. Oh, okay. Okay, that's way better. Yeah, you gotta push really hard on it, though. Like, you're trying to break it, basically. Oh. Oh, that was way better. You gotta, like, dunk. Okay, that was decent. That was good enough, I guess. Sorry, my grandma was calling. Grandmama. Grandmama. There's a lid with sorting tray, which was this bad boy. You don't need to buy another you don't need a magnetized version. At least I don't think you do. Like, seriously, that's pretty good already. And then 16 precision screwdriver beats. these bad boys I showed off earlier and flexed with. So we have a Philips 000, Philips 00, Philips 0, a Philips 1, and a Philips 2. The Pentalobe. Ah, no. Okay, here they are. Pentalobe P2. A Pentalobe P5. A Flathead 1. Thank you, Samsung. Very cool. It just doesn't want to focus today, huh? There you go. Are you kidding me? No? Focuses and then it unfocuses. Okay, so this was the Flathead 1. And we have the Flathead 2.5. Then you also have the Flathead 4. These are in millimeters, by the way. 4 millimeter. Look at that. Pretty big boy. Then we also have the Torx T4. Shit. Should probably cut my nails. Look at that boy. Whoa. Then we have the Torx T5. There's also security versions. So this is the Torx Security TR8. Never expected them to make security screws. Not iFixit, but, you know, brands. Probably for security. Whoa. This is the Torx Security TR8. And then the Torx Security T10. I wonder how it looks like. Oh, that's a big boy. Look at that. Nice. And now for the one that I think Nintendo themselves created. The Tri-Point Y000. That's right. They made their own screw. Just so people can screw around with their game consoles. Oh, well, this is correctly. Oh my god, this is Tri-Point. This is actually this one. Whoa. Probably put it down on the desk and then try again. Unscrew, damn it. Yeah, I'm probably using the wrong one. If you think about it. Because, like, it's not gripping. Oh, I know why. Someone already stripped this bad boy. That sucks. Okay. Well, I tried opening it. What's your excuse? Well, that was the iFixit starter guide kit. Do I like it? Absolutely. I think this is a great product. Would I buy it? Well, clearly I did. And I'm pretty pleased so far. But that doesn't mean it works properly. So, I'm going to test it out.